Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import issues from Excel to Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. It's important to ensure that your Excel sheet includes key columns necessary for proper mapping. These columns should include summary, issue type, project key, description, priority, assign, and labels. Next, head over to your Jira project. Locate the Issues tab at the top of your screen and click on it. We're getting closer to the import process now. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on them will present several options. From these, select Import Issues or Work Items from CSV. Keep in mind that this is the format Jira requires for importing data. With the import option selected, you'll see a button that says Choose File. Click on it to browse your computer and locate your CSV file. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select where you want to import the project. After making your selection, click Next again. Now, Jira will take you to a crucial part of the import process: mapping CSV fields to Jira fields. This step is important as you need to ensure each column in your CSV matches the corresponding Jira fields. For example, the column titled Summary should align with the Summary field in Jira. Once you've meticulously mapped all your fields, click Next, where you will see a review of the field mappings. After verifying the mappings, hit Begin Import. Jira will take a few moments to process the data, and if everything is in order, you'll receive a success message. However, if errors are detected, Jira will provide details on them. If so, go back to your CSV file, make the necessary corrections, and attempt the import again. Lastly, once the import is confirmed successful, navigate back to your Jira project to verify that all issues have been imported correctly. And there you have it. So that is how you can import issues from Excel to Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.